Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home renovations with Angie's List, full guide step by step clearly. To save on home renovations using Angie's List, start by visiting the Angie's List website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Home Improvement section. Search for the specific type of renovation you plan to undertake. Browse through contractor profiles and read verified. Check the ratings for each contractor to gauge their reliability. Use the filter options to narrow down contractors based on your budget and project scope. Contact your top choices for quotes and availability. Request detailed estimates that outline costs for materials and labor. Compare these estimates carefully, looking for any hidden fees. Communicate your budget clearly to contractors during discussions. Ask about financing options if you need help managing upfront costs. Consult the Angie's List articles and resources for tips on budgeting and saving. Consider scheduling a consultation with a few contractors to discuss your vision. Take notes during these consultations to help make your final decision. Once you select a contractor, confirm the timeline and payment structure. Always have a written contract that details the scope of work and payment schedule. Stay engaged throughout the renovation process to ensure everything proceeds as planned. Finally, be sure to leave a review on Angie's List to help others in their search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.